In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable annotations to your video. To get started, open the video you want to work on and head into the customization area. This is where you can control the interactive elements that appear on top of your content while people are watching. If your goal is to guide viewers to another video, a website, or any important destination, this is the section you'll need. Once you're inside Customize, look for the Annotations option. Annotations let you place a visible message directly onto the video, and they can also include a clickable link. This is useful when you want to highlight something at just the right moment, instead of relying only on the title or description. It helps make your video more interactive and can draw attention to an action you want viewers to take. After selecting Annotations, choose the exact time point where you want the annotation to appear. This part matters because timing can make a big difference. Try to place it at a moment that feels natural in the video, such as when you mention a related topic or when viewers are most likely to benefit from a link. Good placement makes the annotation feel helpful instead of distracting. Next, add your text and then include the link you want viewers to click. Keep the text short, clear, and easy to understand at a glance, since people will only have a moment to read it while the video is playing. A simple message usually works best. Make sure the link matches what the text is promising, so the experience feels smooth and trustworthy for the viewer. When everything looks good, save your changes. After that, viewers will be able to click the annotation while watching the video. This is what turns a passive viewing experience into something more engaging and actionable. It's a simple feature, but it can be very effective when used thoughtfully. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to preview the video and make sure the annotation appears at the right time, looks readable, and doesn't block anything important on screen. Small adjustments can improve the overall viewer experience. And that's it. Open your video, go to Customize, choose Annotations, set the right time point, add your text and link, and save. Once it's live, your viewers can click directly while watching.